Hi everyone, welcome to Stewardship Finance Academy. Here we share valuable investment knowledge and market updates to help you become a more confident investor. Subscribe to our channel today, it's free, and start your journey to smarter investing. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving areas in the world of finance, artificial intelligence, or AI. You've heard the buzz, right? It's everywhere, from self-driving cars to virtual assistants and even financial forecasting. AI is transforming industries across the globe. But what's the real deal? Let's break it down and uncover how this technology is not only shaping the future, but also creating huge investment opportunities. Stick with me, this is going to be an exciting ride. Let's start with a little history lesson, but don't worry, I won't bore you. The origins of AI trace all the way back to the 1940s. It all began when humans invented programmable digital computers. Yes, the first machines that could think, kinda. Fast forward to 1950, and Alan Turing, the genius behind the famous Turing test, was asking a big question: can machines think? Spoiler alert, AI didn't really take off right away. In fact, it went through several phases of excitement and disappointment, even hitting a few AI winters in the 70s and 90s, when all the hype was crushed by limited technology and overblown promises. But by the early 2000s, things started to heat up again, thanks to breakthroughs in machine learning, big data, and of course some seriously powerful hardware. Now let's talk about where AI stands today. The big goal: artificial general intelligence, AGI, machines that could, in theory, perform any intellectual task a human can. We're not quite there yet, but AI has made huge strides, and its applications are already integrated into everything from virtual assistants, like Siri and Alexa, to self-driving cars. Companies like OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and NVIDIA are pouring billions into making this a reality. And as we dive into these technologies, it's not just about making life easier, it's about shaping the global economy. The countries leading the charge: the US, China, and of course countries in Europe. So yeah, there's a lot at stake. But let's make this personal. AI isn't just for tech geeks. It's already in your life, whether you realize it or not. How many of you use Netflix, Spotify, or Amazon? Yeah, those recommendation engines, powered by AI. AI also helps virtual assistants like Siri understand your voice commands and respond in ways that feel pretty darn human. And let's not forget about healthcare, where AI is playing a major role in diagnostics, drug discovery, and even wearable devices tracking your health in real time. Imagine getting a health alert right when something's wrong. AI is making that possible. It's a game changer. If you're finding this breakdown helpful so far, hit the like button to save this video for future reference. Let's dive deeper into some of AI's key applications today. In business and finance, AI is automating customer service with chatbots, detecting fraud with pattern recognition, and even helping with trading and forecasting market trends. It's revolutionizing transportation too, with self-driving cars and smarter traffic systems. The thing is, AI is everywhere, and it's only going to become more present in our daily lives. And guess what? It's not slowing down. Emerging trends are showing that AI is getting even more advanced. We're now talking about Agentic AI, systems that can act and adapt on their own, changing the game for industries like enterprise workflows. On top of that, businesses are moving toward highly specialized AI models tailored to specific industries like finance or healthcare. Plus, we're seeing more multimodal AI, which can analyze and process multiple types of data: text, images, audio, all at once. It's like giving AI a superpower. Now let's get into something that's really exciting for all you investors out there: AI investment opportunities. Let's break it down by sector. In healthcare, AI is huge. Think diagnostics, drug discovery, and personalized medicine. In finance, AI helps detect fraud, improve trading algorithms, and make better portfolio decisions. The manufacturing and logistics sectors are also benefiting, as AI-powered robotics and automation continue to improve efficiency. And let's not forget about the infrastructure companies like NVIDIA, TSMC, and AMD, who are the backbone of AI hardware. Without them, we wouldn't have the computational power to run these advanced AI systems. These companies are a big part of the AI revolution, and they're worth keeping an eye on. If you're intrigued by the investment opportunities AI is creating, download our free SFA investment tools list. The link is in the description. This tools list is packed with resources you can use to simplify your investing journey. However, with all these opportunities come some challenges, particularly in the ethical and regulatory space. We're talking about real issues like bias in AI, surveillance concerns, job displacement, and of course, existential risks. Yes, AI taking over the world is a bit of a sci-fi concern, but it's still something we need to think about. That's why countries are working on regulations to make sure AI evolves responsibly. For instance, the EU has an AI Act, which introduces a risk-based framework for managing AI systems. Meanwhile, the US and China are implementing their own measures to ensure AI remains ethical and fair. So what's the long-term benefit of investing in AI? For one, the global economy is projected to see a massive boost, $15.7 trillion by 2030. AI will be a major driver of economic growth, helping companies boost productivity and efficiency. It's also pushing the boundaries of scientific discovery, from breakthroughs in medicine to new technologies that could help fight climate change. Companies that embrace AI now will be the ones leading the pack in the future. But here's the thing, like any investment, AI has its risks. A lot of AI stocks are priced based on potential future earnings, not current profits. That can make them vulnerable to market corrections. And don't forget about regulatory risks. New laws could create compliance headaches for AI companies. Plus, as AI evolves so rapidly, some technologies could become obsolete, which means investing in AI isn't without its challenges. If you're ready to take control of your financial future and start seeing results, sign up now for our free SFA Stock Investment Masterclass. The link is in the pinned comment and in the description. But hurry, this offer is only available for a limited time. Don't miss your chance to transform your financial life and leverage strategies that require just 15 minutes a day. So, what can you do to protect your investments? First, diversification is key. Spread your investments across different AI sectors, hardware, software, and applications. If you're not sure where to start, AI-focused ETFs like bots can offer broad exposure to the space. Do your due diligence too. Look for companies with strong fundamentals and solid governance. Remember, this is a long game, so stay focused on companies with sustainable business models, even when the market gets bumpy. And stay aware of the regulatory landscape. Understanding the rules can help you make smarter investment choices. If you're an everyday investor, don't worry. You don't need to be a tech expert to get involved in AI. There are tons of free tools out there that make it easier to understand the market and make smarter decisions. Platforms like Insight AI and WiseApe offer real-time market insights and financial news. If you're into trading, SignalStack and Composer provide affordable, semi-automated tools for building trading strategies. And for deeper research, tools like FinChat.io and Trade Ideas can help you identify high-probability opportunities. These platforms are making AI more accessible to everyone, not just the big players. And before you leave, don't forget to hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of our latest updates. All right, let's wrap it up. Artificial intelligence isn't just the future, it's the present. It's changing industries, driving innovation, and creating incredible investment opportunities. But like any investment, it comes with risks and challenges. The key is to stay informed, be strategic, and think long-term. Share this video with a friend to inspire them to take control of their financial future too. Disclaimer: the information shared in this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a professional before making any investment decisions. Thanks for joining me today. Stewardship Finance Academy, SFA. Turning you into a confident investor.